Hello everyone, welcome to our channel today. Today we're going to continue to talk about the heat cleansing formula in different organs. The formula we're going to discuss today is Qing Wei San. Qing Wei San. Qing it also means clear. Wei is the stomach. So it's actually from the name we will know this formula we're going to discuss is to clear the stomach heat formula. But how do you know the patient will have stomach heat? It's actually from the symptom the patient will have the symptoms of the patient will have the symptoms of stomach heat, such as gums bleeding, gums swollen in gums, and even severe condition. The patient will have headache. It's actually due to the stomach heat. So the patient will have the swollen gum or even bleeding in the gums and also ulcer in the gums and cause the headache. The patient also can be swollen on the face. It's due to the stomach heat. So it's actually very severe condition of the stomach heat. The patient also can have bad mouth smells and the red tongue, yellow coating. Let's see from the ingredients of this formula. The ingredients are 生地黄、黄连、当归、牡丹皮、生麻. So these 5 ingredients. The first question in this formula is 黄连. We knew this patient have the stomach heat, but for stomach heat, we have discussed quite a few times. We use 白虎汤, such as 白虎汤, or 蟹黄散, we use 石膏. In 白虎汤, we also use 石膏. But why in this formula we don't use 石膏? Instead of 石膏, we use 黄连. What's the difference between 石膏and 黄连? Actually, the reason why we use 黄连is in this condition, the patient have severe stomach heat, which already caused the bleeding. So we need to use some strong cold herb to clear the stomach fire. Not only the stomach heat in qi level, we're going to clear the stomach fire. That's why we use 黄连. In the instruction behind 黄连, it describes like this. If in summer, we can increase the dosage of 黄连. So it actually gave us an example that the dosage of the ingredients here, we can adjust according to the seasons, according to the patient's condition. That's why we use 黄连 here. 生地牡丹皮 is very similar to 犀角地黄汤, 清饮汤 we discussed in previous video. We use here is because the patient already have bleeding in the gums. So these herbs can go to blood level to clear the heat in blood level to stop bleeding. And there's one 生麻. 生麻 in this formula actually is from the theories is very a kind of different. Why we use 生麻 here? It's actually the theories from 黄帝内经. The theories how to clear the heat, especially for the heat due to stagnation. 生麻 can bring the qi upwards. So you're going upwards. If the heat in the body causes stagnation, we will use, especially for the fire, causes the stagnation. The stagnation causes the fire, it becomes a vicious circle. The stagnation will make the heat worse, because something stagnation, it causes more heat. The heat will make the stagnation worse. At this stage, we will use some herbs to disperse, to move something upwards. because we open, it's very similar. In a car, it's very hot, and if we open the the roof, the roof window, once you open the roof window, you actually can get the hot air in the car out of the car. You can relieve the heat in the car. It's very similar in this condition. The patient have the stomach fire called the stagnation. We use soma to guide the heat upwards, qi upwards. But in this condition, we don't use this kind of a method for all stomach heat. We only can, this kind of method only can be used in a group of different herbs to clear the heat, and we add a little bit soma to open the roof window of our body to get the heat out of the body, to help to get the heat out of the body. Also, there are the herbs, dangui. Dangui is quite tricky in this formula. We have said that this formula is used for stomach heat. The patient have a lot of heat, stomach fire in the body. So we use Shengdi, we use Danpi, we use Huanglian to clear the stomach fire, to relieve the heat in blood level, in yin level, to stop bleeding. But why we use Dangui here? Actually, Dangui is used for the other condition. In this situation, the patient has severe stomach fire, and the fire already caused the ulcer. It might be the ulcer in the gum, in the mouth, or even the ulcer on the face, the skin ulcer. So Dangui can tonify the blood and help to treat the ulcer, to help the ulcer to recover better. That's why we use Dangui in this formula. Same as the other formula, when we use Qing Wei San in our daily practice, we need to consider the patient's condition with severe heat, severe fire, and the swollen in the gums, the bleeding in the gums was severe or not. Then we will adjust the dose. We will modify, even we will modify this formula with the other herbs. Thank you for watching our video today. For more information, you can visit our website.